Hi everyone, Grace Wang here from myhappychoice.com. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be a short one. It's a short announcement because I have to step away approximately 1 month to finally finish and publish my 5th book on Amazon. I have been working on this book for the past 6 months. I want to get this book out of the way. I can focus my energy and time on my YouTube videos next year. I firmly believe this book will change your life because it comes from my personal journey, real experiences, and stories. I don't want to scramble and stuff some random information into my YouTube video. I want to bring great and valuable information when I create the YouTube video for all of you. I promise I will be back either on the book publishing day or after. Thank you everyone. I will see you in the next video.